we have to write this this in this form, right? So we will be writing ln on both sides, right? You write in bracket because whenever it is combined, you have to write in. So then what you have to do, here we have square. Square is on whole, so you take 2 before this, ln x e power x, right, is equal to ln 30 e power minus x, right? And after that, you have to, we have ln and we have here x multiplying by e power x. And here also ln 30 multiplying by e power minus x. 2 ln ex, it is already there e power x, ln x, e power x. So here these two are multiplying x and e power x. And here 30 and e power minus x are multiplying. So what we have to do? We have to apply product rule, right? According to that, we will be writing 2 ln x and plus ln e power x. We'll write separately with ln. And if it is multiplication, then we'll write here plus sign. Same we'll do here, ln 30 plus ln e power minus x. What do you think is to be done in the next step? Rule, right? According to that, we will be writing 2 ln x and plus ln e power x. We'll write separately with ln. And if it is multiplication, then we'll write here plus sign. Same we'll do here, ln 30 plus ln e power minus x. But before that, if we write this x before ln, it would be better, right? We'll be getting to ln x plus x ln e is equal to ln 30 minus x ln e, right? Clear? This ln e will become 1. We have here 2 ln x plus x is equal to ln 30 minus x, right? This minus x is not with this ln. ln 30 is separate, so you can find out its value 3. So we can write here 3.4 minus x, and then 2 ln x is equal to 3.4 minus, it will go there, so it will become minus 3x, right? And then ln x is equal to 3.4 divided by 2 and 3x also divided by 2. So we have here ln x is equal to 1.7 and 1.5x. So you can write ln x is equal to minus 1.5x and plus 1.7. So in this way, we have got the value of a and b. A here is minus 1.5 because it is a coefficient of x, and b here is 1.7. Now move on to the next 3.5 question number 12 and 3.6 question number 3, 9 and 10. This whenever we write in single log, then what we have to do, plus will change to multiply. So 18 multiplied by 1 upon 3 and divided by x plus 1. 3 6 are 18. So it will become 6 upon x plus 1, right? And is equal to 0. So 6 upon x plus 1 is equal to 10 power 0. So 6 upon x plus 1 is equal to 1. So it would be 6x. So here it was, so 5x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. So now 9, question number 9. It is also easy. 3 log x 2 plus log x 18 is equal to 2, right? So we have here log x, this will become the power of this, log x 18 is equal to 2, log x 8 multiplied by 8. Okay, then, so this will become 8 multiplied by 18 is equal to x square, and this will become 144 is equal to x square. So x is equal to square root of 144 plus minus 12. Then we have to check whether both are acceptable. Minus 12. When we write minus 12 in the base, then it will become undefined. So we have to write x is equal to minus 2 as rejected. Minus 12 is to be rejected. We have next question. Solve the simultaneous equations ln x 3x minus y is equal to 2 ln 6 and minus ln y ln 9. And another equation is this one. There are two equations given, right? You must have to understand which are the two equations. We have one of this whole is one equation and another one is this equation. And you have to solve simultaneously. So what you have to do, you have done simultaneous equations in indices as well. First of all, we will consider one of the equation, like if we are taking this equation, we have ln 3x minus y is equal to 2 ln 6 minus ln 9. You see, solve simultaneous equation means we have to find out the values of the variables. We need to set, as this equation is in ln and this equation is in has the base e. So here we'll be applying the laws of logarithm to simplify it and to find out the equation in terms of x and y. And here we have to use, we have to make the bases same. We have to write a single base and then we have to equate the power so that we can get the equation from here, right? So previously you have done in exercise 3.2, but there were the equations in which you had to change all the equations to you had to make the basis same and then you had to equate the powers, right? But here one of the equation is having ln and another equation has e. So from this, what we can do, how can we write it as single logarithm? This is already, this side is already in single logarithm, but this is not in single logarithm. 6 square upon 9, right? So then we will be having ln 3x minus y is equal to ln 6 square is 36 and
Yes.
36 divided by 9 is 4. 9 fours. Then we have ln 3x minus y here and here we have ln 4. We will be cancelling this ln because we have single logarithms on both sides is equal to 4, and from this we will be getting the value of y as, if we take y on this side, it will become y is equal to 3x minus 4. So this is the first equation we have got, right? Second equation we will be getting from this, right? And we have here e power, you see we have here e power x and then outside the power 2. So what we'll do here, if we have these two powers, this you have done in indices as well, e power 2x, and when you will take this to the numerator, what will happen? Well, what you will do to with this y? It is in the denominator. When you will take it to the numerator, it will become minus y, and here we have e power 1, right? So we will be having 2x minus y is equal to 1. Now we have same basis, so we can write 2x minus y is equal to 1. And then we will be having the value of x,
2 minus y.
2x minus 1 is equal to y. This is second equation. Now you can solve the equation, simultaneous equation. This is one equation. You must know which is one equation and which is another one. So what you will do for this equation? Okay, you can write it as 3 squared and 27 can be written as 3 cubed. First, you have to simplify it 3 power p is equal to 3 squared, and here it will become 3 power 3 cube. What will happen here? Do step by step. What will happen to the powers here? The bases are multiplying here. It will be 3 power 2 plus 3 cube, right? So 3 and 3 will be cancelled out. So we'll be having e is equal to 2 plus 3 cube. Then for second equation, we have to solve this. I'm solving this over here. We have log 2 7. It will remain as it is, log 2. And we have here log 2 7 minus log 2 11 q minus 2p is equal to 1. So what?
7 divided by 11q minus 2p.
11q minus 2p, right? And that is equal to 1. So we have 7 upon 11q minus 2p is equal to 2 power 1. So then you have uh, 7 is equal to 2 into 11q minus 2, right? So we will have equation 7 is equal to 22q minus 4. Then you have one of the equation, this equation 1, and here equation 2. Then you can solve these two equations. Yes, it's up to you now how you want to solve. Either you can substitute the value of p from equation 1 to equation 2, or make p the subject and equate both of these. It's up to you.